Welcome to this video. My name is Oscar and I'm a developer from Sweden. In this video I'm going to show how you can take a screenshot and record your screen with the app called Gnome Screenshot. If it's not installed with your distribution, you can install it by, in the command prompt, type sudo apt get install Gnome Screenshot. First you have to start the screenshot. You can type screenshot. Here is the app. The first thing you can do is to grab the whole window. Click take screenshot. Enter a suitable name. Screen 1. And it's by default saved to the pictures folder. You can also use the short key print screen. If you want to get the current window, click grab the current window, mark the window and take a screenshot. Enter a suitable name for the picture. Click save. The third option is to select an area to grab. Click this third option, select area to grab, click take screenshot, and then you can select the area you want to save. Enter a name for your picture. And click save. The pictures are saved into the pictures folder by default, and you can save it if you want on another location. Here you can see we have the whole desktop saved. Here is a selection, and here is a grabbed window. One more thing you can do with a Gnome Screenshot is to record your screen when you're doing some kind of presentation or other things like you want to record. To make this possible, you click Ctrl, Alt, Shift and R to record your presentation. When you want to stop the recording, you press Ctrl, Alt, Shift and R again.